Today, we continue the car price list series for 2025. What are the best cars on the market right now to buy between 5 and 7.5 million naira? Sit back, relax, and jot things down. My name is Crank. Welcome to the countdown. At number 10, we have a Nigerian used Lexus RX300 or RX330. This is the first mid-size luxury SUV from Lexus that entered competition with cars like the Mercedes-Benz ML350, BMW X5, and let me say the Toyota Highlander, even though the Toyota Highlander is not a luxury car. But this car did not get popular in Nigeria until 2010 because of our predominant Tokumbo culture. Like the cars, they come maybe 10 years after, everybody now starts buying them. But this car is solid. The V6 engine in this car, very reliable, very reliable. It's not the most economical SUV, but it is very reliable. And the material selection for the interior, it is great. So if you find one that is clean, that is not abused, you'll find one definitely at like 6-7 million naira, a very clean used one. Most likely the RX330, because the RX330 is more powerful than the RX300. The only thing you might have to do will be maybe suspension, because all these cars go on bad roads and suspension will spoil once you go on bad roads. So it's only suspension you should have to fix. Every other thing should be in great condition. At number 9, we have a used Acura MDX, the second generation Acura MDX. With 6-7 million naira, you can buy an Acura MDX, a used one, most especially the pre-facelift. You can get a very clean one at 6-7 million naira. Just a few months ago, I had an offer to buy one at like 7 million naira, very clean. In 2008 MDX, it was very clean, no issues, suspension was perfect. But I was deliberating, then I lost the deal. Pay me, eh? This car features a lot of driver assist technology, SHAW, it has a super handling all-wheel drive system. It has like sensors, suspension, everything. Like, the car is up to date. Not up to date, that's not the word. The car was ahead of its time. Because that your popular RX350, 2009, 2010 RX350, Lexus took cues from Acura MDX to build that new MDX. The MDX gave us a fresh look at what mid-size luxury SUVs should be like. Before your Benz came, RX350, Ford Edge, the MDX was the first to do all those things. So this car is a leader in its segment. The only issue people face with this car is not being able to get quality replacement parts, because when things go bad, you need to replace it with the actual quality. If not, the Acura MDX rejects like fake parts and low quality parts. It will work, but it's not last. Then your Acura MDX starts to deplete. You start to see Christmas light on your dashboard when you like check this one, check this one, check that one, check that one. So if you buy quality parts, you should be good. And yes, we have a video review on this car. Make sure you watch it. Although that one is on the facelift, but make sure you watch it. It's the same engine. At number 8, we have a Nigerian used Toyota Corolla Ouber. Hi! I weep for this one. This car used 5 million, 6 million. Well, it cost it. Yes, I know it's reliable, it's strong, but I promise you, there are a lot of other cars that have the same attribute as this car. But because it's a Toyota, everybody has said, oh, this is the car all of us must buy, I know the way the market works. Once demand is more than supply, the price will go up. So the price keeps going up, and you keep buying. It's not as if the parts are cheap. Imagine the Tokumbo version of this car today is a minimum of 8 million naira. 8 million naira for a 2002 car Tokumbo is just diabolical. Man, I don't even want to be angry. Let's just go to number 7. At number 7, we have the 2007 Honda Pilot Tokes. Yes. Finally, good news, Abby. With 8 million naira, you can buy a 2006-2007 Honda Pilot Tokumbo. Clean, foreign used. And this car is perfect for people that understand that every car needs to be maintained properly. Because this car, the 3.5 liter V6 engine in it already chops fuel. It's not the most economical. So you have to make sure your spark plug, your ignition coil, your nozzle, they are all in tip-top shape, so that your car is not consuming way more fuel than normal. Also, the suspension is not the strongest. I don't think there's any strong suspension, but this Honda Pilot, because of the size, it is very susceptible to like bad road. That's why once you look at most Honda Pilots that are not maintained properly, you see the back, the camber to bend like this. We said it in the last video, to start to bend, because the weight is too much, the force on it is too much, so that thing will bend at the back. So the suspension, you have to always make sure that you drive easily on bad road. And also this car has a third row seating, so it's a perfect family car. I mean, you can park 7 people in this car. At number 6, we have the used Mercedes-Benz W204 C300. Yes, this C300, very common car. This one is for the sporty car lovers, for my German car lovers. You can buy this car. But note, the W204 C300 ran between 2007 and 2014. So you can only buy a 2007 and 2008 C300 at like maybe 7.5 million naira Nigeria used clean. If somebody tells you to come and buy a 2011, 2012 C300 at 7 million naira, no buy am, run, because the pre-facelift is the one you can buy. And also this car has its own problems. We have a video review on this car, you should watch it. Problems like maybe bad engine is just ticking, maybe they don't maintain it well with the right oil, transmission issues, key issues, some electrical issues. So just scan this car proper. This is a car you scan with a proper up-to-date scanner, check everything, know what you're facing when you buy this car. So you buy this car for like 7 million, maybe you have to spend 1 million naira to bring it back up to speed. That's still fair for a luxury sporty car from 2008 or 9 from Mercedes. I mean, it's fair. But don't go and buy rubbish. If you buy this car 7 million and you buy rubbish, I'll be mad at you. At number 5, we have a Nigerian used Hyundai Elantra 2013-2012 model. You see this car with 7 million naira, you can buy it. I'm very, very sure. I know people that bought it last year, late last year. This car, I am very sure. This is a car I recommend for people that want an affordable car that still looks pretty. Because this car looks pretty. It looks good, it looks elegant, it looks sexy. Yes, the Elantra looks sexy. And if you want to buy this car, watch out for things like bad steering rack. Watch the dashboard. Like when you start the car, when you put it on 2, make sure that you see the check engine light come on. And when you start it, make sure the check engine light goes off. VSC light must come on, brake light must come on and go off to show you that they don't hide anything at the back of that dashboard. They don't sellotape something or hide something from you. Also scan the car to make sure the car is running well. Another issue that this car has is like a ticking engine. So when you're buying it, make sure that the engine is not ticking. The transmission, make sure it's shifting smoothly. That transmission one might be a cheap fix, but make sure that you are planning for it as you're buying the car. You understand? We have a video review on this car. Don't let me talk too much. Watch it and you're good to go. The Hyundai Elantra is a very good one at 7 million for Nigerian use. Before we continue, I need you to do one favor for me. Like this video, because the more you like, the more people see it. Share, subscribe. Just do that favor for me. This is the only favor I will ever ask you on this channel. Just do that for us. Thank you, thank you. So we can come back every weekend and bring you more videos. Now back to the video. At number 4, we have a Nigerian used Toyota Camry Muscle. As you all know, the Toyota Camry Muscle ran between 2007 and 2011. So with like 5-6 million naira, you can buy a 2007, 2008, 2009 model. Then with like 7.5 million naira, you can buy a clean 2010 or 2011 model. This car works. This is another tank, a solid car. The only issues you face with this car is maybe a sticky dashboard or the oil drying up in the earlier models, like 2007 and 2008 models. But that aside, this is a very rugged car. We have a video review on it. Link is here, you can see it. You can watch it anytime to know more about this car. And yeah, I must warn you, if you want to buy the sport edition of this car, make sure you don't live in areas with bad roads, because you just mess it up. If you live in areas with bad road, stick to the XLE or the LE. But if you live in an area that you have a good road, then buy the sport edition. Sport edition actually looks good with the extra paddings and the spoiler at the back. Very, very cute looking car. But please don't buy it and go and bastardize it without your bad road in your area. I beg. At number 3, we have the used Lexus GS350, the 2008 model. The Lexus GS350 is an if you know, you know car. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. Because this car makes up for all the flaws on the Lexus ES, the popular ES350 2007, 2008. It makes up for all the flaws. This car runs on a rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive platform. The quad headlights has a sportback finish on the rear. So you just know that this car was made for something more than driving. And what's that? Performance. Yes, this car performs absolutely well on the road. Corners better than an ES. Heavy. So this is like a sporty sedan offering from Lexus. The only issue with this car is that the parts are more expensive than other Lexus in its rear range, because this car is not common, so the parts are like quite pricey. But that aside, this is a very good car. If you find one and you're a sporty car guy, buy it. And yeah, in fact, I feel like the GOAT now of car reviews, because we also have a review video on this car. Watch it, watch it, watch it. At number 2, we have a Tokunbo Evil Spirit. I just squeezed one into the list because you know we've spoken about the Evil Spirit times and times on this list, but with 7.5 million naira and with plenty begging, you can buy one Tokunbo. This car is very reliable. It's a solid car. We have a review video on it. But this is just to give you hope that I can buy a very modern car at that 7.5 million naira mark. So you can just beg them. They'll sell this car to you at 7.5 million naira. Or if you find one, most likely not, you find it Tux. Yes, I'm serious, you find it. at 7.5 million naira. At number 1, we have the 2005-2006 Toyota 4Runner. This one is very personal to me. This used to be my car. I sold it 2 years ago at 2.5 million naira. It was very good, no issues. I just sold it for some stupid reason. I can't even disclose the reason because I feel very stupid. And now I can't buy this car again because this car is now 5 million naira, 6 million naira, 7 million naira, 9 million naira will get it talks. And I'm like, what's going on? But yeah, I get it. This car is a tank. You have a V8 engine available, a V6. I think you should buy the V6 because the V8 is a guzzler. But this car is a tank. You're looking for a car that will not break any day. The 4Runner is your guy. This is the king of the road. Car is very, very reliable. What else do you need to watch out for? Just make sure the transmission works well, engine is firing properly, and that's all. The car is very, very good, guys. A very, very solid car at the 7.5 million naira mark. My name is Crank. Welcome to the end of the video. What car do you think you can comfortably buy between 5 and 7.5 million naira in Nigeria today? Let us know in the comments. Remember, share, like, subscribe. If you want to buy any car on this list, any car at all, send us an email, cars@234drive.com. We will point you in the right direction. Yes, we have a special service that caters to this. See you next time. Bye.